G'day folks, wherever you are. This is just a small video of our evening meal at our beautiful home in Bangkar in Chachoengsao Sao province in Thailand. Hope you enjoy. Cheers. Okay. Soda and ice and lemon. Now here's one here. From what I can identify, I believe it is a skin of a chicken's legs with onion and looks like parsley leaves and a little bit of chilli. This one here is the green curry. Beautiful. That's boiled vegetables, very beautiful. Over there is the Leo, and the red container is full of ice. There, the red container is full of ice. Across the road there is the shop where we can go and get more Leo and more Leo beer and more ice and soda water to drink with the Leo. And that one is a chili dip. That one is it's got meat and lemongrass and vegetables in it.
That one an empty plate?
That one the empty plate, because this man
not eat food anymore.
This man has a delicate constitution. He can't eat anything.
I can't even put anything in my eyes. I cannot make my mind up.
This man has a cast iron
Canberra
constitution. He can eat all.
CIC.
And the barbecue over there.
You should start a company, CIC.
No. Oh, here's the chef. Oh, look. Little cucumbers to eat with some vinegar. Look at this, chef. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. And the barbecue. Oh, I'll go closer to the barbecue and get it. Here's the barbecue. We got roasted pork. 1, 2, 3. Chicken wings and head. Head is the Thai name for mushroom on the barbecue, charcoal barbecue. And a quick look up the street in my neighbourhood. Okay, going to eat now. Cheers.